Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. So today I'm making my signature holiday noodles. Enjoy. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy prosperous new year. My name is Mommy BHQ. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're very welcome. So today I want to show you how I make my signature noodles, especially now we're on holidays. Okay, so I'll be making use of just 2 sachets of super pack noodles. As you can see, my hot water is already boiling before I added the noodles. Then I want to blanch my carrots, so I added the carrots to the noodles. I'll allow it to boil for 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Then I'm going to pour it out. The removing of the water from the noodles reduces the calories in the noodles and starch. Okay, so this is my colander. I'm going to pour it out, the noodles, the water I use in boiling the noodles now. And that is just it. So after pouring in the noodles in the strainer, rinse the pot. You want a clean pot to fry the spring onions, pepper, and to fry the egg. We are making use of 2 super pack noodles as I did earlier. For each pack comes 2 seasoning powder. I'll be making use of the 2, but for the egg I'll make use of half of 1 sachet. This will give a very good taste to your egg and makes it very flavorful. I don't add additional salt or oil while making my signature noodles because I'll be frying the egg and peppers with the sardine oil. I made use of 1 can of sardine for these signature noodles. Strain out all the oil, then use the oil to fry your onions, spring onions, peppers, and any other thing you want to add. For me, this is just enough. Now I'm going to pour in the onions. I'm going to fry the onions for about 20 seconds. Then I'm going to add the peppers. I made use of 2 varieties of peppers. If you don't want a very hot noodles like that is very spicy, you can replace this habanero and chili pepper that I used. You can replace it with green pepper or red pepper. After frying the both for about 10 seconds, I'm going to add the egg. Remember, I added half sachet of the noodles seasoning powder and the pepper that comes with it. I added half of it to the 2 eggs I whisked. This will give the egg a very elaborate taste. Once you try this my signature noodles, you can never get enough. You would want to eat. In fact, you always crave these noodles. It's so tasty and so delicious. So I'm going to sprinkle some spring onions to the egg. I'm going to add some spice and seasoning powder to the pepper and the remaining spring onions. This is the noodle spice that is left from what I added to the egg. I just want everything to be very tasty, very nice. I'm going to stir the egg. It is properly cooked. I'm going to pour in the spicy chili and habanero pepper. If you don't want a very chili or a very spicy noodles, use capsicum, that's the green pepper, red pepper, and the rest. I just poured in my pre-boiled noodles and carrots. Added the sardine, the spring onions. I'm going to add the seasoning powder because the noodles is two. We have two seasoning powder. I'll be making use of one, which I shared between the egg and the spring onions and pepper. After pouring it in, stir it to mix everything together. I'm going to allow it to cook for 1 minute so that the spice, the seasoning powder and everything I added will be properly cooked, and our noodles will be ready. So it's been a minute now. The noodles is ready. I'm going to dish it out. Hurry, come with your plate. Let me dish out some for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you try this recipe, this is my signature noodles recipe. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram, okay? And on Facebook. I have a page on Facebook too. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.